What?
Say it again.
Alpha Kenny body, Alpha Kenny body.
What? Say it again.
Ay, I don't like. Ayoko na.
Do you know what you're saying?
I don't like.
Pwede
Say it
again,
again.
again.
Listen to it. Say it slowly.
No, say fast.
Alpha Kenny.
No, say fast.
Ha?
Say
Say
fast.
faster.
Faster.
Alpha Kenny body, Alpha Kenny body.
So what's the meaning of Oh, okay.
Napapagod na ako, Brite.
You're saying
No, no. Say faster.
Alpha Kenny body. But say it fast.
Sinabi ko na nga ng mabilis.
Okay, do you know what you're saying?
At kaya nga sabi ko hindi.
Just keep on saying it. Fast.
Ayoko na, papagod na ako.
Listen, Alpha Kenny body, Alpha Kenny body, Alpha Kenny body. Alpha Kenny body. Alpha.
Alpha Kenny body.
You're not saying, you don't hear it? Say it faster.
Alpha Kenny body. Oh. Oh. Punta na kayo.
Alpha.
Ayoko na.
Why?
Ayoko na, alis na ako.
Okay, fine. I won't do your hair.
No. Hindi yan. Magbibihis pa ako, Maggie. Magbihis muna ako.
This is what you said. Just say it. Alpha.
Ilang beses ko nang sinabi, Meg.
Yeah, but you don't get it. Here, this is what you're saying.
Alpha Kenny. Sabi ko na nga eh. Nakuha ko na eh.
Alpha Candy body. Alpha Candy body. Alpha Candy body.
Dude, are you gonna...
Can you do smoky eyes? Yeah, can you stop? Do it.